ગાડી એટલે કે કારનો શોખ તો મને હંમેશાથી છે જ. એટલે મેં ડિસાઇડ કર્યું કે ઓટોમોબાઈલના કોર્સ માટે હું કોઈ આઈટીઆઈમાં એડમિશન લઈશ.
Powered by the Make in India mission of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India is making rapid strides in manufacturing. Skill India is an important pillar of Make in India, training the youth to make them job ready. As part of a shared vision, the governments of India and Japan entered into a memorandum of cooperation in November 2016 to train 30,000 Indian youth in Japanese manufacturing and soft skills over the next decade. Born out of this partnership, the Japan-India Institute for Manufacturing, or JIM, is modelled for quality skill training in India, a fully residential institute set up in partnership with Ganpat University in Mehsana. Maruti Suzuki JIM trains youth for the manufacturing sector and thus contributes to the missions of Skill India and Make in India. Spread over 2 acres, Maruti Suzuki JIM is equipped with modern workshops, smart classrooms, and the latest equipment to train nearly 400 youth every year. Manufacturing experts from Maruti Suzuki and Suzuki Motor Corporation, along with faculty trained at Maruti Suzuki facilities, ensure that Japanese manufacturing expertise is effectively transferred to the students of JIM. Collaborating with AOTS Japan, special training modules in Japanese manufacturing practices is another unique feature of this institute. India's automobile sector is a key element of Make in India. Having created 25 million jobs in the last 10 years, the Indian auto industry is set to generate 65 million new jobs by 2026.
We appreciate very much this partnership between the two governments. Maruti Suzuki Gym has the latest facility and equipment. There are special trainers with long experience in the manufacturing industry. Students will be equipped with technical skills as well as Japanese manufacturing practice like Kaizen, 3Z, and 5S. We are very excited to support Making India and Skill India through Maruti Suzuki Japan India Institute for Manufacturing.
This institute offers 8 courses: fitter, electrician, welder, mechanic diesel, motor mechanic vehicle, auto body repair, auto body painting, and driver cum mechanic. Maruti Suzuki JIM comes with modern automobile workshops, a fully equipped paint booth, welding simulators, and a first of its kind mini vehicle assembly line. These facilities enable students to get hands-on experience of vehicle manufacturing and bridge the gap between ITI education and actual industry requirement.
અહીં પ્રેક્ટિકલ ટ્રેનિંગ ઉપર વધારે ફોકસ છે. ટ્રેનર પર વેલ એક્સપિરિયન્સ છે અને ટેકનિકલ સ્કિલની સાથે સાથે જાપાનીઝ મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ પ્રોસેસ પણ શીખવા મળશે.
Training in safety, in English language, and in computers upskill the students trained here every year and give them a head start. Students trained at Maruti Suzuki JIM are equipped with all-round skills and capabilities. They will transform their lives and the lives of their families and contribute to nation building.
મારા બાપુજી બધાને કહે છે કે હું અહીં સ્ટડી કરું છું અને એમને ઘણી જ ખુશી છે કે ટ્રેનિંગ પછી મને સારામાં સારી નોકરી મળી જશે અને હું એમનો સહારો બનીશ.